Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? Hopefully everyone is doing well. This is kind of exciting video for me. I am going to be doing an unboxing and it's a subscription box, but it has nothing to do with makeup or skincare or fashion. It's actually a tea subscription box. Now, if you would have asked me a year ago or a few years ago, would I be interested in a tea subscription box? I would have said, no, I am a big coffee drinker, love the smell of coffee. I have to stop myself from drinking too much coffee. I just love it. Always have. Never, ever, ever liked tea. But if you recently saw my favorites video, you know I kind of have recently been sticking my big toe into teas, making my own kind of ginger tea. I kind of like drinking teas, not so much first thing in the morning. That is my coffee time. I don't like coffee after the morning. Then it kind of, the taste of it is a little harsh. I do like to drink teas in the afternoon and in the evening. I feel that they're very calming, very relaxing. They just feel a little bit cleaner than coffee because I'm not putting cream or anything in them. They're just water in the tea bag. I had a company reach out to me about doing an unboxing for their company, partnering with them, kind of showing the box on my channel. I thought, you know, a tea unboxing, this is right up my alley now. Very, very interested. The name of the company is Sips By. Never heard of them. I will put their name down right here. When I looked up some of the top tea subscription boxes, they were listed as one of them. So I was kind of happy that they have got good reviews from what I can see. I wanted to share this information on my channel in case you weren't familiar with them because they were not on my radar at all. How does the box work? It is a monthly subscription. It is $15 per month. I believe the shipping in the United States is free. However, outside of the United States, I will have to list that below. I'm not familiar with the charges outside of the US. Monthly subscription box where you get to personalize the box yourself. I'm going to kind of run you through the process step by step of how I signed up for my box. That way you can see how it's personalized for you, whether you like loose tea or tea in bags, what type of tea you like, caffeinated, decaffeinated, flavor-wise, all that information. That way they can personalize each monthly box for you. No two boxes are the same. And what they say is they partner with about 150 different high-quality tea brands worldwide. That's where they get their teas from to put in each of the boxes. Let me show you the box that I received, show you what I got inside of my box, and I'll show you how I did my personalization of the box. There's a quiz that you take on their website in order to sign up, and all you have to do is answer some of the questions that they ask, and that way they can kind of tailor the boxes to what your taste buds like to drink. So happy to do this unboxing. And if you are even a die-hard coffee drinker, really consider dipping your toe into teas. I never thought in my entire life I would ever be a tea drinker, but now I love teas. I just feel it's kind of a great way for me to hydrate myself, and I just think teas are so refreshing. Let me show you the unboxing. So really quickly, this is how I signed up for the box. It says get the box. All you do is enter your name, enter your email, make up a password, and then we're going to create a profile. They run down basically all the different subscription boxes they offer. They have a 1 month, 3 month, a 6 month, a 12 month. And if you can see, I clicked on the 1 month, which is $15 every month. And if you live in the US, it's free shipping. And if you look really carefully, you can see with that 1 month subscription, it's basically about $1 per cup of tea, which is really a great deal. And you can actually take the tea quiz before you even sign up for a box, just to kind of see what they have to offer and some of the questions they ask. So I'm going to run through this really quickly. I am going to take a tea quiz now and show you some of the questions they ask. They talk about whether you like caffeine-free or caffeinated drinks, and then you can tell more about your preferences, how you like things to be mixed up in your box. Do you like loose tea bags or bag teas, or do you like a mixture of both? both. And then there are so many questions about what flavors you like. If you like flavored, unflavored, what kind of flavors you like. I'm not going to go through every question here because it's going to take too long, but they really do a comprehensive quiz to try to get a feel for what your taste buds are like and what types of teas you'd be interested in receiving. They also like to get information on how you like to brew your tea, how often you like to drink tea, if you have any type of dietary preferences, any food allergies, and then just your birth date. I'm assuming they do that for any special things that they like to give you on your birthday. And then you've completed your profile. That's how the subscription works. And now I'm going to show you what I got in my box. This is the box that the teas come in from Sips By, and you can see I got a card that shows the June teas that I received. These 4 teas were basically picked in response to the quiz that I took, so it matches what I like to drink, and they give a little information about all the teas they sent me. I got 4 different types of teas in total. This first tea I got is from Harney & Sons from Paris. It's a black tea with black currant and vanilla and caramel. Sounds delicious. Highly caffeinated, which I love. The next one is a hazelnut chicory, and I've already tasted this tea. It is delicious. It does taste very nutty, like almonds and a little bit of hazelnut. It was absolutely fabulous. I also got a wild strawberry organic tea and a stress ease cinnamon tea. Boy, do I need that. Stress relief tea. That's good for me. The other thing I love about Sips By is that they are really beyond fair trade. Using these teas helps support families that are devoted to organic, fair trade values, which is great. And the other thing I like about this company is it is very interested in preserving the rainforests. Rainforest conservation, preservation, non-timber foresting products. So I think right now I am going to have another cup of my delicious hazelnut tea. I will just finish out this video and let you know where the links are to this subscription box. I hope you enjoyed seeing this unboxing from the tea subscription box Sips By. Really excited to do this unboxing. They did leave me a $5, I believe, off your first box subscription promo code, which I will put right here, and I will put down also in the description box. I make no money off of this. It is just a code that they give to me so I can give it to my subscribers who might be interested in getting some money off of their first box. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla, and I will leave their website down in the description box also.